Hello learners, through this video we will learn how to blend image in Word, Excel or PowerPoint. You can use these steps in any of your document. So if I go by insert, picture or I simply copy and paste picture here, you can see my image is in full colors. It is not blended. I want this image to be blended and I want to add one more image above this image. So for that what I will do, I will insert a shape here. I'll choose the shape of square box. I click on format shape. I click on fill, picture texture fill, insert from file. I will choose path, picture 3. This is my image. If I increase its transparency, my image will start blending. See, I will remove its border. By picture border, no outline. See the difference? Now as I said, I will add one more image over this image. For that I again do the same thing. I will take a shape here. I take a square shape here. On this, I click on same picture texture fill, insert from file, desktop, picture. Now I will increase its transparency like this. Again I will remove its border. Now you can see I have two images here and both are blended. That is why this one and this one is different. Thanks for watching. Happy learning.